Welcome to Grease Monkey Garage. Oh. Okay, so here we have a 1996 Kawasaki EN500 Vulcan. These are the original photos when it first arrived at my door. As you can see, it's not been looked after very well. Right, so we're stripping it down, cleaning up the frame, giving the frame a little touch up here and there, get rid of some of the rust. Generally tightening the whole thing up, taking the swinger arm off and giving that a good look over and clean up as well. And now fixing up the tank, get rid of the big dents in it, painting some primer on it, getting it ready for the base coat. Maybe we'll even put some custom flames on it, ghost flames. Here we have the tank, already primed, base coat on, left to harden, and then gently buffed. Give it a key, gently sand it to just roughen up that top coat. Ready to accept the airbrush gold. Quickly fitting the tank on the bike to see what it looks like. Ready for the top lacquer coat as well. So this is the tank after the last coat has hardened. Very good finish on that. Quite shiny. And the ghost flames now in gold on the bike, seeing what that looks like before we finish it completely. What you doing?
Fitting the tank on an EN500 Vulcan.
It's a nice paint job.
Yeah.
Bit dusty.
We'll clean it up.